welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my part 2 of the Byron Bay vlogs. If you haven't already seen part 1, then I highly recommend you go and check that out, because we did a skydive and also dolphin kayaking. So it's a very fun vlog to watch, and you guys get to see my gorgeous face as I jump 15,000 feet from an aeroplane. But this vlog is going to be part 2 of the Byron Bay vlogs, as I feel like this week was just so jam-packed full of different activities that I wanted to split it up into 2 different vlogs so you guys could get the full benefit of each activity and you can really get to see what we get up to. So stay tuned, because during this vlog we're going to have some surfing, some waterfall tours and many other things as well. But if you do want to see the skydive, that's in the previous video, so I'd go check that out first. But yeah, we're going to continue on, and quickly I just want to say a huge thank you to My Adventure Project for bringing us out here. It would not be possible without them. They've organised all of our trips for us, and it's just been so easy to communicate with them and just know where we're going. So if you are interested in booking a trip to Australia, whether it be 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks or 6 months, then My Adventure Project is where you should be at. I will leave links and everything in the description box down below with more information. But without further ado, let's just get on with the Byron Bay vlog part 2. Morning, guys. I still can't hear properly out my ears.
Yeah, and I can hear you really loudly, so quieten down.
Shush. Anyway, today is the day of surfing, which I'm super excited about because we did it in Wales and I absolutely loved it. And I feel like in Australia it's going to be even better because I feel like the waves are going to be better. I feel like the weather is going to be better. I feel
like the weather's going to be better than Wales, sure. Maybe, though, I'm not too sure.
Well, it was raining yesterday, so, you know, it's 4 seasons in one day here at the minute, so we shall see. But then after that, we've got the brewery tour. We're going to be tasting, testing, trying loads of different beers and alcohols, and also, you look naked then, Byron.
Why can't you say that?
So yeah, we're going to be tasting loads of beers, alcohol, probably some other things, and then find out the story on how they're made. So I'm very excited about that. Probably get a little bit tipsy, because we've not actually got drunk or tipsy at any point on this trip so far. And I don't think there's anything else to say. Haz has just lost our washing, so let's see if she's returned with it. Haz has found our washing. Okay guys, so we've come down to the beach. Currently just trying to find the people for the surfing lesson. Excited, Anna, because you've not done it yet?
I'm so excited. I'm kind of nervous because I don't really know what it's like.
Yeah, it is quite hard, I can't lie, but it is fun. Like, once you get the hang of it, it's alright. But last time I couldn't stand up, so this time my aim is to try and stand up whilst on the surfboard. We've got like 3 hours, I think, so it should be a fun time.
My friend Jasmine from England, and she's going surfing with the Jasmine in Byron Bay.
You're doing well, is what I mean.
So guys, we're now on the brewery tour. First stop is Lord Byron Distillery, and very excited. This one actually has like gin and vodka and stuff. Smells nice. We're now trying this thing. I actually don't know what it is, but it's really thick. Oh, it smells like
That's definitely licorice.
what are them? Licorice all sorts. That's what it smells like. Tastes like raisins.
Ugh. Tastes like licorice.
I don't like that. That tastes like raisins.
Taste, just a little taste. Don't like smash it back because it's 40% rum. Have a little swish around your mouth. Swallow. What do you reckon?
Jesus Christ, that's strong.
Anyone else? What do you reckon?
Spicy, sweet, delicious, gingery, and vanilla.
Oh no, I don't think
I don't
Try it. It's gonna kill you.
Oh yeah, that's so
I think I prefer it without.
Oh, it smells strong.
Much softer than the
Coconut
first
water.
one.
That does taste like an actual coconut.
Absolutely.
Oh wait, she got some service, guys. That's really good. Pineapple juice makes a difference. That one gets thumbs up.
Yeah, it's like a sugary spiced rum.
Yeah.
It's like
That's really sweet. It's nice. It's a bit too
very, very low
spicy.
alcohol, but he's got that big spice.
We're on our way to the next one. We come to the next one, Stone and Wood. This is what it looks like. They also have food. So I actually might get something because I am kind of hungry. So next place, we're at Stone and Wood. This one's beer. I'm excited to try this because normally I don't like beer, but these are obviously all like different flavours and they're made in different ways, which we're going to find out about in a little bit. But I always try beer and I can just never seem to like it. So hopefully one of these I might like, but I don't know if I will. So we will see. But yeah, what do you think? Do you think you're going to like it?
I feel hopeful, but I don't think I will. Because I don't want to be a gal. I don't like that.
But yeah, have a smell of it and have a sip.
But it does just have that like beer taste. What's this? I like that. It looks like guinea pig food.
Yeah, that's exactly what you just said.
Oh, like a hamster.
It's what's in the drink.
Like feed goats.
That's in the drink.
To a farm.
Yeah, that's what it is.
So that's a hop.
I think I prefer that one. Not sure on that one either.
I just don't like beer. I don't know what it is. It just.
No, I don't like beer, but I like that.
Oh, I like beer. I think the first one's definitely best. Now tried.
So in November,
That's so weird.
That's my favourite one.
yeah,
You like that?
Yeah, that was nice. I could drink that.
One more. Ow! You're in the back. Cheers, everyone. Oh, yeah. I was just trying
That is bloody lovely. That is good.
Can you hear it?
So guys, at this brewery, they play music to the beer and it makes it taste different and different levels of alcohol, which is so interesting.
There's nothing on that one though.
I can hear it. It's going like wow. That is so interesting.
Brayden, come to left. Yeah, I feel like you just like hear it. You gotta put your ear like literally on it.
Wow. That was good. I like the music in that one. That is so cool. I can't believe how much you can hear it.
Different.
Yeah, they're all different. The one at the end is kind of like living la vida loca. So guys, we're now back from the brewery tour. I'm just thinking, did I vlog it? But I definitely did vlog it, so I don't know what I'm talking about. My memory is really not the one. But you will see we did the brewery tour. I thought I was going to get a little bit more drunk, but saying that, I don't like beer. So when we were in the beer place, obviously we were given like 3 beers, and I only drank one of them because only one of them I actually liked, but that's just personal preference on my own behalf. And then the last one that we went to, he usually would get beer, but because he knew we didn't like beer, he offered us wine instead. So we had 1 glass of wine, whereas the other guys had 4 glasses of beer. So I feel like if we were drinking the same amount as them, we'd have been on the same level because some of them were pretty drunk. But we've decided that we're going to go out, hence why I look somewhat presentable. Let's ignore the hair because the hair is a little bit crazy, it's a little bit puffy. I finally washed it after a few days of a lot of salt water in my hair, so my hair feels really nice and soft now and not crispy anymore. But yeah, we're going to go out, so I'm obviously going to take you guys with me, and yeah, we'll just see how the night goes. It was chucking it down earlier, but it is now clear skies, so we're hoping it stays that way because I didn't bring a jacket other than a rain jacket, and I don't want to take out a rain jacket with me. Right guys, today is Thursday. Today we have a free day. So we're gonna go ahead and go for a little walk. We're gonna do the coastal walk up to the lighthouse. We're on a walk.
We're gonna catch a big one. We can't go under it. We can't go over it. We'll have to go through it.
That is incredible. We've made it down. One thing I would recommend, wear trainers. Me and Sophie have come in our little swimming shoes because we thought we'd be getting in and out of the water, so it'd probably be easiest. I can feel every single bump, every single rock, every single twig, and it's not a fun time. It is really hurting my feet. So guys, please ignore the fact that I've got sunglasses on because I can't see because of the sun. But we've just been to the first waterfall. But now we're at a lake, we're just waiting for some food. So my chippies are here. I opted for chicken salt this time, which is the yellow stuff on there, you can see. Chicken salt's very popular in Australia. And these two are gonna watch me. because So that concludes this Byron Bay vlog. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. As always, please remember to subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I just want to say a huge thank you to My Adventure Project again for helping us organise this trip and bringing us away with them. You guys have been amazing and all the trips so far have been incredible. Now we're moving on to Service Paradise, so I will see you guys very, very soon with that vlog. Bye!